Locked out of your Lenovo? Forgot your Google account? Bought a used phone? Or reset it? Stuck on verify your account? Here are 4 easy ways to bypass Lenovo FRP, official recovery, PC tools, and APK methods. Part 1. Perform Lenovo FRP bypass via Android Lock Wiper. Highest success rate. Android Lock Wiper. Best for Android 6.0+. Works via PC. May erase data. Remove Google FRP on Lenovo and other brands safely, even if account info is lost. Step-by-step interface. No risky APKs. How does it work? Step 1. Download and install the phone unlocking software on your computer. Then select Remove Google Lock FRP and choose Advanced Mode. Connect your Blue device to the PC using a USB cable and click Start. Then follow the prompts to enter your device details and proceed. Step 2. Follow the on-screen instructions to boot your device into recovery mode. Then select the correct PDA, country, and carrier information. Click Download to obtain the required data package. Step 3. Click Start to extract and complete the guided steps, including entering download mode, enabling USB debugging, activating OEM unlock, and extracting firmware. Once finished, the tool will automatically begin removing the FRP lock. Part 2. Bypass Lenovo FRP lock via QuickShortcutMaker. Connect Lenovo to Wi-Fi. On the verification screen, open a browser. Download QuickShortcutMaker, open it. Select Google Account Manager, type email and password. Try. Log in with a new account and finish setup. Part 3. Bypass Lenovo FRP using Google credentials. Turn on your Lenovo device after a factory reset and connect to Wi-Fi. On the setup screen, tap Next or verify your account. Enter the original Google account. Wait for verification, then continue setup to access your device. Part 4. Bypass Lenovo Google FRP via Technocare APK. Reset your Lenovo and connect to Wi-Fi. On the verification screen, type anything. Hold it. Select Assist. Open Chrome. Download Technocare APK, install it. Add a new account or remove the locked one, then finish setup.